This video is about how to create rich pins on Pinterest. Now, rich pins provide more information than normal pins, and they get the information from a website. And they are most suitable for shopping sites, recipe sites, and app store sites. And they are created on a Pinterest business account. And to create a rich pin, you need first to add a rich pin metadata on your website. And if you are working with a WordPress site, you can use the Yoast SEO plugin to enable the metadata on the social section and also confirm your website with Pinterest. The next thing is to validate your website on Pinterest. And to do this, you need first to go to Tools under Pinterest Developers, then URL debugger. And from there, you need to enter any valid URL of your website to validate your website. And after that, Pinterest will approve your rich pin application within 24 hours. And after your application is approved, all your web pages with the rich pin metadata will appear as rich pins on your Pinterest account. And with the rich pins on your account, you can edit them, pin them to a board, share them, and perform other tasks. And if you want to stop posting rich pins on your Pinterest account, you just need to disable the rich pin metadata from your website. And to delete your rich pin, you need to go to its editing page. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Pinterest and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.